The NADCA Standard states that the coils and air handler units need to be cleaned every year. It is critical that commercial air handlers are cleaned since there is a constant rotation of people entering and exiting commercial buildings. At IAQ, we start by using static pressure to shut down the system. Next, we remove all filters and pre-vacuum all loose and heavy debris from the coils. Then, we pre-soak the coils with an EPA-approved organic enzyme that digests bacteria, mold spores, and viruses. We use a power washer at 230 degrees to steam the coils, and we comb the coils to ensure they are straightened and aligned correctly. We also clean inside the blower wheel and walls, top to bottom. Before completing our process, we perform a static pressure test to compare the pressure before and after our service. Our team takes extra care and caution to avoid damaging any wires, and before finishing, we clean the mechanical room floors to finish out IAQ's top quality service. We truly appreciate your business over the past 21 years.